How to put a countdown timer on Instagram story. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. Launch your Instagram application from your device and get logged into your Instagram account. Now, in order to add a countdown, let's go ahead and add something to our story. To do that, tap onto your story on your left hand side. Select any image that you would like to add, then tap on sticker icon. From here, you will see countdown option. Tap onto it. Now type in any countdown name and select the end date and time. Once done, tap on the done on your right hand side and tap onto your story. Just like so, this is how you add countdown to your Instagram story. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then make sure to like and subscribe.